we got our Rainx Graphene Spray Wax. Picked it up at Walmart for like 15 bucks. Shake bottle, spray onto exterior surfaces, one section at a time. Wipe product evenly over a surface with a microfiber towel. Flip towel over, wipe again for a streak-free shine. Repeat on remaining surfaces of the car. And it says it repels dust, dirt, and debris. Safe for all exterior surfaces. Paint, chrome, glass, metal, plastics. Suitable for both wet and dry surfaces, so it can be a drying aid, which is really cool. I've never used this before, and it's brand new. So we're gonna see how extreme this actually is for hydrophobics, durability, shine, gloss. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. It's wipe on, wipe off, and it can be a drying aid. So let's get into it. Get my 2 microfiber towels, one slightly darker than the other, and spray wax. So we're just gonna shake this thing up. All right, now we got it shaken, got it turned on. Spray a little bit. Look at that. Look at that. It's black. That's a good sign. Graphene is supposed to be black. So it doesn't say how many sprays per panel. So we're just gonna kind of wing this. And if it's too much, I'm sure we can just wipe it off with a damp towel and call it a day. So as far as adding it to the surface, it is really nice, very slick. I'm gonna just continue with it. I didn't spray this part, but I mean, it is going a long ways. So that's a good sign too, because not very many spray waxes will go a long way. All right, so you wipe it on evenly on the surface. You flip your towel over and you buff it to a streak-free shine is what it says. Now, given we are in colder temperatures right now, so this may not work as directed. Oh, it's definitely streaking, but it could be temperature based. I don't know. Let me try and get another towel over this just to see if we have a difference. So we got fresh dry towel. Yeah, so putting it on is relatively easy. At least in the temperatures we're having, we're in like the 50s and 60s. So, you know, Oregon weather. So this is gonna take a minute to take off. And it doesn't say anything about bonding time or cure time from what I could read on the bottle. I'll look it over before the end of this video and we'll see. And I'm just starting to think that maybe I put too much on this, and that's probably why I'm getting all the streaking and stuff. So we'll try this 2 sprays per panel, and I'll get back to you guys with that. All right. Okay, I did the whole car and I figured it out. 2 light sprays per panel, and maybe a quick spray on your microfiber towel to keep from scratching. A little bit ago I thought it turned black, but I don't know, maybe I'm just tired and seeing things, but it did not turn black, and even on the paintwork it dripped like a whitish color, like it has carnauba or something in it. Maybe it has SiO2, for sure it does, but the gloss, I mean, I just applied it, so it's gonna be kind of hard to tell. But look at that shimmer though, that's nice. So it's not terrible, but when you do use 2 sprays, it goes on and off much easier. If it feels like it's drying on there, it's fine. It will still come off, and it does not streak, which is another huge bonus. Yeah, I mean, as a drying aid, I probably most likely would highly recommend this. It's quick, it's easy. I haven't tried it with the drying aid yet, but maybe come spring we'll give it a shot. Yeah. So just let me know what you guys think about this, and stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be Rainx ceramic glass cleaner and water repellent. Before I do this one, I will have a hydrophobic property video on this as well. I want to try and do them both at the same time so we can get a better perspective and see how it does graphene versus ceramics. It doesn't say it has graphene in it, so you know, spray on, wipe off. And for future reference, this is by far the easiest Rainx product, aside from the wiper blades, that I've ever used. Once you got down the physics of it, yes, 2 light sprays per panel, a little bit on the towel, and you're fine. So stay tuned. We'll have the water beading video right after this. Here we go. Rainx ceramics glass cleaner and water repellent. So I've already shaken the bottle on the glass, 1 section at a time, and then final wipe for a streak-free finish. Pre-process for remaining glass surfaces. So let's do half the glass and see what happens. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm neglecting my glass. All right, let's see what happens. Shake. Just gonna spray some on here. Get my Chemical Guys waffle weave. Just gonna wipe this in there. It doesn't smell terrible, and it doesn't smell great. It's kind of like a fruity smell to it, which is actually kind of nice. And guys, look at that. It does not streak. Like, here, look at that. Okay, so I didn't clean that part, but still, look at that. Nice, clean, streak-free glass. It's the first time in a while that I've seen that. So we'll do the rest of the glass and do the hydrophobic video. Alright, so before I do the hydrophobic properties of both of these, I gotta talk about them. Both of them go on relatively easy, come off relatively easy as well, especially the glass cleaner. This stuff is basically a one shot and you're done. This one, you know, you got to be careful with dispersion when you put that on your paint. It goes on paint, glass, plastic, trimming, anything, headlights, taillights, spoilers if you want, carbon fiber, it'll go on anything. Neither one of these talk about a cure time. So I'm gonna just say that I'd give it 24 hours before you expose it to the conditions. I mean, if it's sunshine, it's fine, but anything with like rain or snow or sleet or hail, you could wait. I mean, but then again, you could just take it right out. Shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, I'm kind of impressed with the on and off process of this. I am worried though that this did not fully come out black, because graphene is a black colored product, or ingredient, whatever you want to call it. The other thing is too, there is no flashing, there is no hazing, there is no nothing, no weighting, nothing. You put it on there, go up and down, left and right for even coverage, and then you take it back off. I did the same process with the Rainx ceramics. Yeah, let's hope I didn't waste $30. See how long these guys last.